Kakinhun Menteri Kabinet ke Sorkar Meghalaya haka khatlai tarik kalai kendu bat penpawi ke jing sngongu ya barok ki kinhun ki belai snok ti bantwet ya kemet jong Raja Raghuvanshi bat ya kesonam ka lok jong u ki belajar ngai ni kithan soran nadu ka arpulai tarik ujemang hadu bandalap ya kemet jong Raja haka ar tarik ujeliu. Katba kesonam kalaher bat kerak bak ce indoor hadin bekelepen yap ya laulok da kebaai bainong hasaumut kikang. Ka kabinet kelarai haga resolution ban sngongu ban nyautang ya kikenhon pulit, kikenhon sintiat, ki volunteers bat kikenhon ya dajing ki belatur shikirai raidam, kitliu kisar bat kikrem kikro ban wat ya raja bat kesonam. Kesorkar Meghalaya ke penpauru ke jingkmen bagi paitba kini gejala kila tingkan bat kila bat skem teriang ya ke akor ke burom long briu ha ke imlang salang. Ubak polling do upadiak kubor jong kesorkar ula penpau ya kini kejing sngongu kesorkar syikilat pathai kubor jong gejala bat jong kari India barok kawai.
Start of the cabinet meeting, we adopted a resolution to formally acknowledge with gratitude the role played by various agencies, government departments, and especially the role played by the police department in handling the tragic case which occurred at Sora, where there was loss of life of one tourist. The cabinet acknowledged with heartfelt gratitude the role of all stakeholders, especially those who were part of the rescue team, which trekked and stationed themselves at Sora for the past 15 days or so.